Want to achieve that stunning dark glow quality effect for your TikTok videos using CapCut? Hi, I am Raksha from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you exactly how to do dark glow quality TikTok edition in CapCut. Open CapCut, tap on New Project. Select the video, tap on Filters and select BW3 located at Mono. Adjust the filter to 65. Tap on the tick mark. Tap on the effect and select Video Effect. Search for Nostalgic Light and tap on it. You can even adjust the intensity, filter, and range according to your requirement. Now tap on the tick mark. Adjust the effect. Tap on the overlay and select the white photo from your device. Zoom in to make it full screen. Tap on Splice and click on Overlay. You can even adjust the overlay according to your requirements. Tap on the tick mark and again tap on Filters. Select the Humble and adjust it to 30. Tap on the tick mark. Then go to the filters again and select Waterlock and adjust it to 18. Tap on the tick mark. Now click on the Adjust. Select the shadow and keep it to 29. Tap on the tick mark. Now preview the video. Once satisfied, export your project by clicking at the top right corner of your screen. Like this, you can easily keep dark glow quality effect from CapCut. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.